Hello beautiful people. In today's video I'm going to show you guys on how you can use the Steed AI trading robot to make about 15%. If you're watching me from TikTok, make sure you follow me on YouTube at Trading Gold Crypto. If you are watching me on YouTube right now, make sure you kind of subscribe, okay, and turn on the bell notification when you are trying to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Okay, I would like you guys to make sure you turn on this bell notification and make sure it's on all, so you can get all the notification of the new videos I'm often uploading on the channel. So coming up here, okay, we want to learn on how we can trade, okay, using the Steed AI trading robot. Okay, so coming right here, you can see that I don't have anything. Okay, before you can start trading, you need to make sure you have at least USDT or TRX. So in this case, I'm going to send some USDT right here or TRX to this platform. Okay, this is their wallet. Okay, then after sending it, then I'll show you guys the next step. So right now, the most important thing to do is to make sure you have the Binance application, okay, because I have my Binance app here, and this is where you can probably buy crypto and be able to send it through their wallet right here and start trading. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to show you guys the procedure. Okay, it's very simple. So when you open your Binance, okay, let me show you guys this. You open your Binance. So right here, guys, you can see that this is on my Binance, okay, and this is I have some USDT right here that we can, play around with. Okay, we can just trade with with it. So right now, okay, for most of you, I'm making this video for most of you guys that are often asking me, what can you do aside from just inviting people? What can you do? What other options do you have on Steed wallets? How can you make money with it? Okay, this is not going to be a financial advice. Okay, I'd like you guys to as well put in some amount of money that you feel that is going to be okay for you. Okay, so right here you need to have USDT. Okay, for the most part, you can we can put in like $15 in here. Okay, let's see how it's going to work out. Okay, so right here I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay, I want to withdraw some amount of USDT here, so you click on here. Okay, you click on here. So after doing that, we need to click on got so right here we need to come on here, okay, because they're asking us for the wallet address. So right here I'm going to use the camera, okay, to capture it. So right here you come to your app right here, okay, come to your USDT right here. It's very important that you come on here. So when you come on here, you are trying to deposit, okay, so we click on I have some USDT right here, as you can see. Okay, that's a free USDT I've been earning because you guys have been using my link to join. So you come on here to click on let's click on recharge. Okay, I think that's going to serve more as the deposit. Okay, yeah. So you come on here and you click on, you just do it this way. After scanning it, then your address will be right here. That's very quick. Yeah, I know. So what you guys are going to do next is to make sure that you are on here. Okay, you come on here and select TRC. Okay, remember that this is on TRC. Okay, so you don't want to make any kind of mistake. Okay, please select TRC chain, otherwise the assets will not be retrieved. So be careful, guys. So right here you can see that I have there are many blockchains right here we can use. Okay, so yeah, there are many blockchains here. So let's kind of use the TRS20, as you can see right here. Okay, so after doing that, then you come on here and click on confirm. So after doing that as well, then you need to come here and click on $15. Okay, yeah, so they're going to charge us about $1, okay, for this transaction. That's because it's on Binance. So you click on withdraw. Okay, when you click on withdraw, they are going to ask me to do some kind of verification and confirm the transaction. You can see, just follow the steps right here. This will help you as well. So when you're doing that, then they will ask me for the process whereby I am going to be required to put in some code and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to pause this video and put it. After imputing it, they will send a code to your to your email address. Okay, and they will as well send this code to me to my phone number as an SMS. So I will just make sure that I just enter the code and click on submit. Okay, and after that, then the money will get right here. So that's what I'm going to do right now, but I'm going to skip the process. Okay, if you still want to kind of patronize me, okay, you can as well come here to join my very good VIP squad. Okay, that would be very nice, and as well you can get some royalties that comes from it. So as you can see, I've sent the money to the Steed AI wallet. Okay, so they only asked me for that they sent a code to my email address, and I just imputed it right there. Then I clicked on submit, and that's how the money went off from my wallet here from my wallet here to the Steed AI wallet. So let's open my Steed. As you can see, it is open right now. So the money have arrived right here. This $14 that we just sent in. Okay, so after this one, okay, it's very important to understand that we can trade with this, okay, and you can as well trade with this. Okay, so if you are trying to trade with the USDT, okay, then you send USDT TRC20, okay, and if you want to trade with the TRX, then you go with it. So right now we are coming on trade. So when you come on a trade right here, you will see about two options. Okay, so we are going for USDT AI trading, because this is where we deposited our USDT. So with the USDT, it will enable us to trade only USDT pair. So right here, you can see that we can earn about 0.5% per day, and you can as well earn a maximum amount of 15% a month. Okay, so make sure you don't put in everything you have in here. Okay, this is only for educational purposes only. Go through all of this will help you so much. Okay, after going through all of this is where the this will give you more insight, so you can know the kind of license they have, Steed AI. Okay, and you can make your own research before you start joining your platform for that one. So we have $14 right here. Then you have to click on start. Okay, so remember I had about 5 cents right on this wallet, because you guys were using my invitation code. So if you don't have money to join this, okay, I think you can still just be sharing their invitation link, and that will help you a lot. So right here, I'm going to impute about all of them. Yeah, I'm going to say 14. Okay, let's see how that's going to pan out. So you click on start. After doing that, let's see how it goes. Successful, wealth has been opened. So you click on confirm. Okay, that's very important to do. Okay, okay, this battery is about to go down. So you click on after doing that, okay, remember you come on order. Okay, when you come on the order right here, you can be able to track this. Okay, you can see that the AI trading is actively running right now. Okay, so that's just you can still click on stop. Okay, and stop it. Let's click on stop. So you see, you can click on stop and click on confirm and stop it and withdraw all of your money right on this wallet. Okay, so that's how the Steed AI trading works. Then you can come on here and click on inquiry details. Okay, right here you can get to see how much you are profiting. Okay, you come on the profit. Okay, you can see that we don't have anything right there right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to leave this trade running. Okay, and after maybe 3 days or I'm going to come back on here to show you guys how much we've made with the $14. So if you want to see that video, make sure you follow me on YouTube. Follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, and make sure it's on all. Okay, and follow me on TikTok as well, because that's where I'm going to be posting most of the videos. Okay, and for many of you guys that are asking me, when are you guys going to be able to withdraw the money you have in your in your Steed AI? Okay, remember that they've not yet listed the coin, and the coin is yet to reach about 75%, which the kind of said, okay, that they want the airdrop to get distributed to everybody. So after the airdrop get to be able to read that 75%, or when they get to list the token, okay, that's when we can be able to withdraw our money. So you guys should make sure that you're focusing just on this. Okay, focus on the quantity of the BS token that you are getting. I feel with that you guys will be good to go, because the figure shouldn't be that important to you guys, but focus on this, because this is where you are getting a lot of money. Okay, you can see all of that amount. Okay, so you guys, if you've not yet if you've not yet started earning on this app, okay, you can earn for free as well by just coming on the invitation code right here. Make sure you're using your invitation. Make sure you're giving people your invitation code. This will enable you to earn more money, okay? And as you're earning, you're as well earning the TRX and USDT as well. So here's my invitation code, okay? What you just need to do is to give people your invitation code, okay? So when you give them your invitation code, what will happen is that they will sign up on here and they can as well get to make so much money, which I've made right here, okay? So, and you can see my team right here. I have many people right here following me. These are a lot of people, okay? You can see them right here, a lot of people. So that's how it goes, guys. Let me know what you think about this kind of video. Subscribe and make sure you smash the like button. I forgot to tell you guys that this is the only way you can help me to keep reaching out to more people. And I love you guys, and catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and don't forget to do that for me. Thank you.